What's going on? Hey, I have an awesome recipe for you that can be utilized for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's up to you. I personally use it for breakfast because I don't have to have any kind of dairy, no eggs or anything like that inside of it. Rachel uses it for breakfast as well, but puts an egg on top of it. So that's something you can do the night before or the morning up, doesn't matter. So it's made up of a spicy mango jalapeno chicken sausage. There's quite a few different flavors of this, so you can pick and choose your favorite one. You usually can find these at your local grocery store. Then we have a sweet potato. Yes, we went with the bag kind. We didn't have to fry it or do any crazy work. Not that bad. Just watch your macros. Your sweet potato should be a carbohydrate. So make sure that when you choose whatever carb you choose here, if it's this one, that it's not super high in fat and most of it's carbs. You'll just bake these real quick in the oven and then throw them in the container. Last piece of the puzzle is the chopped spinach, and it is frozen again. All I did here was drop the serving size. There's 4 servings in this container. I just dropped them in my 4 different meals for the week. I did use a measuring cup, but in reality I just split it up between 4. We're looking just for the nutrients and the addition of the greens into your diet. So, super simple approach to your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. If you want to make it more breakfasty, all you have to do is add an egg to it. It'll work perfect. You can do over easy, scrambled, however you want to do it. But the cool thing is now all I have to do is top these off, and if I have a microwave wherever I'm going, throw it in there, heat it for 30 seconds to a minute, and it's good to go. Nutritious, delicious, and super easy to make. That's the main point. So let me know how you like it. If you have any questions on how to make it, let me know.